Hello, how are you? Here I am finally publishing this video in which I'm trying out Crayola's A.R.T coloring pages. I was able to get them at Walmart, and as you can see they have different themes, including this is Justice League. And I chose Wonder Woman to be the project I'm going to be working on this weekend. Here are some illustrations that I'm using as inspiration. And instead of my Crayola Super Tips water-based markers, this time around I'm using my Ohuhu alcohol markers. Crayola markers did really well on this paper, so I'm curious to see how Ohuhu does. Because when it comes to blending, alcohol markers usually give us a much better experience. This is Ohuhu's pretty basic pack, not a sponsor by the way. It has a lot of useful colors, and as you can see, a plastic protective sheet so that we don't damage any surfaces. This time around I decided to start with the skin. I don't know why, because I usually start with the background, but for whatever reason I did. And I have to tell you that I decided to buy more skin colors, because even if I make a do with what I have, I honestly would like a bigger range for them. And I'm running out, to be honest. Usually I go from light to dark. First, I worked with the skin, then I started working on her torso. Basically, it's like you're layering from the lightest, and then you start layering on top darker and darker till you reach that beautiful blended color that you're looking for. Then I continued with the blue, which I have to say that I love how it came out. I don't know about you, I'll love to hear about it in the comments. As you know, the advantage of using alcohol markers is how they blend. And I think they can look quite stunning on their own. Although I have to recognize that I had some not very convenient situations in which the ink sort of bled through the lines and even came out on the back side of the page, although I'm happy to report it didn't get damaged. Something worth noticing with this paper, because I don't really know what it is. And I'm excited to work with the other characters and the background tomorrow. With the magic of video editing, here I am with the second part of this coloring illustration challenge. You might have noticed at this point that these illustrations were made by Jim Lee. Here's what I've done so far. I think it looks quite decent. What do you think? Although there's a lot more to color. As you know, we're using Ohuhu alcohol-based markers, and we're gonna continue coloring the characters that join Wonder Woman in this illustration. This one's quite easy because it's the Flash, and then here we have Green Lantern. But then, like, who's this guy? Like, I need help. So I posted on my Instagram and I got some answers, so thank you very much, because I didn't know who he was. And I would tell you, but I completely forgot his name again. So moving along, I decided to start working on the background while I got some answers, which, you know, sky comes first and then comes the rest, right? So I just use strokes here and there to have some textures, I guess, but not to be overwhelmingly distracting. And this is the final result, which I hope you love and appreciate, because I sure had a lot of fun doing it. Quite a lovely product Crayola brought us this time, so I recommend that if you're interested, you get it. Keep creative, keep safe, and always be kind. And I'll see you soon. Bye!